Are you struggling with the right financing solution for your business or next project? You've looked into traditional loans, funding, collateral, etc., and it's just not the right option for you at this time, especially because releasing funds at short notice can potentially disrupt your long-term investment strategy. However, there is a way to access financing while keeping your portfolio on track. Securities-based lines of credit allow borrowers like you to access cash without liquidating their investment portfolios. Your portfolio serves as collateral. For example, using qualified equities, bonds or funds that are already owned, allows you to better protect yourself against market movements. Funding can be made available within 1 or 2 working days, with just a couple of forms to complete and sign easily online. Securities-backed loans might be a good option for you if you want a straightforward finance solution over the short to medium term, and you're willing to secure your portfolio assets as security against your borrowing. Also, if you need quick access to funds without incurring transaction costs, understand the potential benefits and risks, and are able to repay the loan at short notice if required. Here's how it works. You tell us which portfolio asset you'd like to use as collateral. We work out the maximum amount you can borrow based on the current market value. A decision is made and funds are released within a few working days. The benefits are clear: fast access to funds, a simple process, lower interest rates, and you can keep collecting dividends while spreading out your risk. As with any secured lending facility, there are possible risks. For instance, if the value of your asset falls, your max amount could be reduced, and you may have to repay some of the loan. We fund loans from $75,000 up to $25 million and accept non-retirement investment assets, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds as collateral. Lastly, no personal financial statements, tax returns nor paper applications are required and your anonymity stays intact. To get started, simply fill out our loan request form online or call one of our helpful representatives. That's it. It's that simple. Let High West help you with a securities-backed loan today.